Hey y'all, it's your girl thedsoleiltwins or thedsoleiltwins, however you want to go by. But today we did these beautiful jumbo 2-layer braids on T, and let's jump right into it. So y'all, this was our first time ever practicing this style on each other, and we were so freaking floored. So we're gonna give y'all all the tips and tricks, things we should have did better, things we'll work on for next time, this, that, and the third. So in the back, she started out this T, y'all. Hey y'all, Tay doing my hair. But yeah. So this is before I permed my hair. So if you see that video and say, "Oh my God, you got tribal layers," no, girl, the video's out of order. Anyway, she did knotless box braids in the back or box braids in the back because my nape area is a very sensitive spot, and I don't like my braids to go all the way to my nape because it's just no matter how light you try to be, it's too much. Anyway, this is how we were looking. Y'all know we really
hey
love the
ladies,
African.
ignore
And so
my hair. I
hold
am
on, y'all, she
working on
talking.
me afterwards. But this is my first attempt. Hit up. This is my first attempt at the layer braids. We wanted to go for a bigger size. But yeah, you all leave some comments in there. What were some tips that you would give a beginner braider? What are some tips you would give me? And what should I do about tucking? Tell me some things in the comments you would tell me about tucking, because that's where I'm kind of messing up. Under here, I'm just want to show y'all really quick. We did some individuals, and I went ahead and plaited her hair first. How close are you all? My bad. There you go. I went ahead and plaited her hair first, and then I'm gonna add the braid right on top of that, just because we don't want any tension at all. So that's covering that. You won't even be able to tell. Head up. But this is what they're looking like, and then we're gonna start fresh together on the other side, because I think I'm kind of catching the hang of how you do the feet in.
All right, y'all, she started out with just my hair and then slowly fed pieces of hair in. I know y'all gonna be asking, how many pieces of hair did y'all use? Girl, I cannot tell you. It really depends on the density of the hair. I'm telling you, I'm not saying that just so you can say, "Oh, she don't got no answer." No, I'm dead serious. It depends on the density of the hair and how thick you want your braids to be. So anybody else doing these tribal 2 layers, they would have added very, very, very small pieces of hair. Because you instantly want them really thick and jumbo, we added almost like a pinch. If you pinch your hands together, that much hair, like that much hair. I want to say we did about 6 to 8, if that gives you like any type of insight. Let me just count. 1, 2, just 2. Three. 4. All right, y'all, so like I said, about 6 to 10 pieces just to make sure the braid came all the way down, and these did extend to like my mid-thigh, almost knee length.
In love with the new me a long way from boosting. Stop playing with it. Miss Mamas, it's the ankles for me.
So y'all see how hype I was. Y'all know Tay braid like the Africans, which we really do aspire to be as great braiders as the Africans are. And she goes all the way down to the nitty gritty of a piece of hair. So watch her slay this real quick. All right, y'all, so on this part, because we were beginning, she was having some difficulty with the thickness of my hair, so she tried to cut this section into two. Next time we won't do this because it ended up not looking like as perfect as we wanted it to, but it still gave us the outcome that we wanted. But naturally, the part in the center of my head should all be one layer. So we know that for next time, but it still gave us the outcome that we wanted. And y'all, this was so dope. And what's so funny is after we had done all of my head, we ended up really watching and researching some more braiding patterns, some more braiding techniques. And girl, our braids got 10 times better. So we braid 10 times better than this now. And if y'all want an updated tribal layer video, drop a comment down below. Say we want to see another tribal layer video or we want to see another video. Make sure y'all have y'all post notifications on and subscribe to the channel. Before.
You see how I'm kind of like up on it.
After. Period.
This filter dumb bright. Anyway, y'all, okay. This side officially looks fucking awesome. It looks better than this side. So she's about to take this side out. This is the last time we're gonna take out my hair and we're gonna be done with it. Fuck it.
All right, y'all. So after redoing the top of my hair like 3 times, we were like, okay, we're satisfied. It's time for a twerk fest. We'll try it again next time. So we really hope y'all love this video. This literally took us all freaking day, y'all, all day. But we were working hard to get the ending result. So make sure you show love by liking, comment, and subscribing, and turning on your notifications. See you in the next one.